Want the consistency of oil colors with the ease of acrylic colors? Enter HD Acrylics. Let's find out what we can do with these highly pigmented, super thick colors. To begin with, we'll use them with every painter's best friend. When applied with a brush, just one layer of these high coverage paints is enough to cover the canvas. Regular acrylic would require multiple layers. How about trying an impasto effect? The impasto technique is used to create 3D paintings. Let's see what an application with a palette knife does. Be generous with the amount of paint you apply. After drying, the artwork retains your 3D effects. And now, let's try working with the paint using our fingertips. The buttery consistency helps deposit the paint without any tools. There is so much you can do when you can carry and hold paint in your hands. With so many possibilities, we bet you won't think of a painting as a two-dimensional surface again. Ready to reimagine what one can do with a painting? Happy experimenting!